The Woodworker, a practical journal of woodworking in all its branches. Volume 1, Number 1, October 1901. Published monthly. On sharpening tools. It is probably the greatest difficulty met with by the average woodworker, amateur or professional, to be able to sharpen his tools properly, and a few words on the subject of the proper manner of putting a keen and lasting edge on such tools as chisels, plane irons, and etc. will not be out of place. Most tools, when first purchased, will be found to possess a more or less thick cutting edge, and before they can be used must be ground. In doing this, the same bevel must be maintained as when the tool was bought, and a perfectly straight cutting edge should be aimed at. When the edge is as thin as possible, the grinding is stopped, and the tool must be rubbed up on an oilstone to give it a clean cutting edge. And this is where the difficulty comes in, the tendency being for the tool to roll about in all directions, so that it is impossible to get an even edge. The handle of the tool must be grasped at the end by the right hand, the fingers of the left hand resting on the blade, with the thumb underneath and about 2 inches above the surface of the stone. The wrist and elbow joints should be kept stiff, all motion proceeding from the shoulders, and the tool then drawn to and fro nearly the full length of the stone, with a light, even pressure, until an edge is obtained which cannot be seen. The tool should be held so that the bevel formed by grinding rests nearly flat on the stone, as the more acute the bevel, the keener will be the cutting edge. If practiced slowly at first, the habit of sharpening tools without rolling will become quite natural.